How to edit video with Clipchamp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly download Clipchamp editing application. Once you do, so simply start with editing. At the top, click on your media. Then choose the option of import media. Now, in order to edit any project, you can simply click on the type of the project which you want to edit and import the media accordingly. To bring the media in editing page, simply click on plus icon and you will be able to edit it in the editing page. Simply click on any one of the clip. You can adjust the scale of the video or the photo. You can also place a photo in front of the video. As you can see, you can also manage the cursor in the length of the photo or video. Once you are done with all the editing, in order to export a video, click on export at the top right corner and choose the higher quality of 1080p. And that's it. Just like that, you will be able to edit video with Clipchamp. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.